Hello everyone! Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Filecoin Chapter 8. In this video, I will give you a sense of Protocol Labs, what Protocol Labs is heading, and its open source contribution. Here we go! The advanced computing radically transformed humanity, and so has the flourishing of our global nervous system. That's the Internet. This still necessary medium of communication, of digital experience, will connect us and empower us in ways we've only begun to understand. In just a few short decades, we've acquired a tremendous, almost magical superpowers. We can speak to half the planet at any time and from almost anywhere. We can explore and search for the most complete compendium of human knowledge in seconds. We can reason about and solve tremendously difficult problems. We can work, play, and be together at a distance. We can conjure systems of digital and medical agents to do our bidding. We can change the world, we can save lives, we can wield all the powers of our species for good and bad with a sequence of keystrokes. And yet, this is only the beginning of computing impact on humanity. It's hard to understand that human life was quite different decades ago. Harder still to grasp how fundamentally different we are from our ancestors thousands of years in the past. We are living during the radical phase transaction in the history of life and intelligence on Earth. And computation is a breakthrough in the order of genetic evolution. The horizon of computing is exciting and turbulent. We face optimistic progress, significant challenges, and a host of existential threats. Protocol Labs navigate this complex landscape by grounding themselves in two important goals. First, Protocol Labs should improve the Internet and computing generally. Secure the robust access to information, communication, and computing has become a critical part of what it means to be a modern human. The Internet has become the main vehicle for human interactions worldwide, and it will only become more so as their devices and interfaces improve. Brain-machine interfaces with SIMETs, and those are not so far away. Therefore, fixing problems with the Internet and upgrading their computational fabric will have a tremendous impact on humanity now and in the future. This is the why. And second, Protocol Labs should accelerate the ideas to superpowers pipeline. At the heart of computing progress lies a simple process, the research, development, and deployment cycle. Ideas are conceived and refined, encoded into mathematical rules, programmed into a software, and deployed into computers, which grant superpowers to humans worldwide. The better and faster Protocol Lab is at sifting ideas through this pipeline. The better and faster their superpowers will become. This is how. Protocol Labs is a research, development, and deployment lab for network protocols. Protocol Labs believe the Internet is humanity's most important technology. Their mission is to improve the Internet and computing generally. Protocol Labs are doing so by creating groundbreaking protocols and speeding up the pipeline from ideas on paper to users' hands. For your better understanding, let me give you a more detailed introduction of Protocol Labs. Protocol Labs was founded in May 2014 by Yuan Bennett, investor of IPFS and Filecoin. That summer, Protocol Lab participated in Y Combinator program. As 14, Protocol Labs released IPFS to the world in January 2015. Since then, IPFS has gained enormous traction in a variety of industries and organizations. By 2016, IPFS grew to be one of the most used and relied on technologies in the blockchain industry, and hailed by thousands of developers as the future of the web. That year, Protocol Labs also created libp2p, IPLD, multi-format, Orbit, and a number of other projects. Their most anticipated project is Filecoin. The Filecoin mainnet was officially launched for public use in October 2020, and the FEVM was introduced to the Filecoin mainnet on 14 March 2023, enabling smart contracts and user programmability. Protocol Labs at its core consists of an organization, also referred to internally as Starfleet, that supports open-source software projects, engineering research in multiple fields related to computation, communication, and knowledge, as well as other services for internet or organization that builds upon and expands the capability of the core technologies. Protocol Labs exists to enable a network of projects, tools, startups, research, communications, and more, and that are springing up the evolution around new protocols and Web3 technologies. As this ecosystem grows, these projects invest in the network itself, and the network grows along with it, which in turn benefits and incentivizes this ongoing evolution. Then, what is Protocol Labs' vision and mission? Protocol Labs drives breakthrough in computing to push humanity forward. Protocol Labs has ideas for the superpower pipeline. Protocol Labs is a network which is capable of repeatable innovation. Protocol Labs has world-class team and network, and the network enables team to be super efficient. They create, support, and grow projects and protocols. They build crypto networks and businesses. They open source all the things, and they collaborate openly with many groups. In Protocol Labs, there are new projects and technologies being invented every day. Keep in mind that may not be a comprehensive list of all important projects growing in this network, but we have the most important ones. First one, IPFS, which is one of the original Quartz OSS projects, from which other projects in Protocol Labs have grown and Nucleated created a network of open source technologies, developer tooling, DApps, and more. Then, Filecoin. Filecoin is the other original core organization that supports the builders and storage providers that use Protocol Labs and Filecoin technologies. Filecoin is utility token, which is cryptocurrency that supports and incentivizes the growth of our network of Web3 technologies. And then is libp2p, which is a set of modular tools for networking and peer-to-peer communications. Next, IPLD, which is a data model that is used for content-addressable web. Multi-format is a project that makes it possible to create self-describing data, which allows protocols and projects to be interoperable and future-proof. Then, TestGround is a platform for testing, benchmarking, and simultaneously distributed and peer-to-peer system at a scale that can scale from 2K to 10K in sentences. DeepRAND is a revolutionary public distributed variable randomness generator that can be used in protocols and cryptocurrencies that require public randomness. Filecoin Virtual Machine (FVM) is a Layer 1 protocol that will enable developers to create and execute smart contracts on data stored in Filecoin network. Last one, Lutos, is a main Filecoin network implementation supported by Filecoin, written in Go and maintained by the PL team. Protocol Labs is constantly evolving network made up of 450 companies and organizations. This Protocol Labs portal is the central point of reference for all the resources available to the PLM members. This portal includes information about network services from Mosaic, the network directory, and communication channels as well. Spaceport is a network-wide directory and guide for those navigating the Protocol Labs Web3 space with many links to resources for PL network members, including the PLN member directory is a listing of all the companies, projects, and teams in the wider PLN. The PLN Code of Conduct outlines the expectations and code of conduct for all members of our network. The glossary provides a comprehensive list of terms to help you navigate Web3. Mosia is very own Web3 service provider marketplace where you can find Web3 native companies to serve all of your business needs, from tokenomics to marketing. Protocol Labs is building the next generation of the Internet. Protocol Labs is an open-source network that spans research into development pipelines to create new protocols, tools, and services to radically improve the Internet. Their products serve thousands of organizations and millions of people. Many teams in the PL network are fully distributed and follow a common set of open-source practices to grow and flourish together. This distributed open-source philosophy is at the core of how Protocol Labs operates. Protocol Lab also believes in connection and bringing people together to inspire innovation. That's why Protocol Lab has yearly PL Network Lab Weeks to gather their community of labors. Contributors and members of PL Network teams together and align on the next year's opportunities and challenges. PL was a fully remote company. Below, let me gather wisdom from the Protocol Labs team on how to thrive in a remote work environment. First, spend time composing clear, concise, and effective communication. To help overcome the difficulties posed by asynchronous work, remote workers should prioritize clear, concise, effective communication. For example, if you're communicating with someone 8 time zones away, avoid simple yes or no questions. You will wait 8 hours to get a reason, and you'll likely want to ask a follow-up. Spend time thinking about how to frame your questions. If yes, then what? If no, then what? Works well to avoid long delays between emails. Then, be mindful of information overload. Another issue posed by remote work is information overload. To address that, Protocol Labs created their company Handhook, the goal of which is to the single source of information for everything laborers need to know in order to be successfully here at Protocol Labs. Next, maximize the efficiency of synchronous meetings. There is a time and purpose for synchronous meetings. Examples include high bandwidth bidirectional communication for brainstorming or for decision making. For these meetings, Protocol Labs uses Zoom video conferencing software. Last one, find your virtual water cooler. It's easy to underestimate the importance of workplace friendships, but studies show that healthy, supportive social interactions with work friends are key to building a successful team. In general, open-source software is at the core Protocol Labs. At the end of 2022, Protocol Labs consists of 450 more companies and projects built on their networks. As the Web3 space accelerates, now is a great time for high-worth researchers and developers inside and outside Web3 to ramp up their interplanetary knowledge and contribute to these cutting-edge technologies. From Core OSS contribution to Radius Grant distributed system engineers, to network researchers, to company managers, to startup operators, there are a vast number of exciting opportunities across PLN teams and companies. Alright, please thumbs up if you find this video helpful. More videos that you might be interested in will be updated on King Labs channel, so please subscribe in case you miss out. See you in the next video. Bye!